emergency alert. Several prisoners have escaped from the local high detention facility. At least one is still unaccounted for. He is to be considered armed and extremely dangerous. If you see him, please alert your authorities.
Sucks.
It's literally so lame.
I know, there's nothing to do.
Well, we should try to make the best of it.
We should be at the beach.
We can't afford the beach.
And it's fall.
It's true. Well, there's gotta be something for us to do around here.
Like what?
Maybe we can call Kyle Ferguson to come over.
Well, if he's coming over, I gotta go get ready.
Why would you even get ready? He's literally in love with me. Hey!
Can you stop? I hate the smell of bubblegum.
This is literally bubblegum scented.
Don't be a bitch.
Don't be a drag. Give it back. No, you give it back. Give it back. Give it back.
Monica!
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 Can you guys stop fighting? You guys promised you'd at least try to get along.
Rita threw my lip gloss down the drain.
I did not throw her lip gloss.
Yes, you did!
I don't think you're getting that back.
But it's my favorite lip gloss.
It clogged the drain.
Well, we need to get our security deposit back anyways, so let me just go call someone.
Like a plumber?
Hi, we have an issue. Our pipes are clogged.
I was wondering if you could come look at it. Me and my friends are staying
Here, and we don't really know how to. Hello?
We have to do something about Jess. She's acting like totally psycho.
Well, if we get our security deposit back, we could buy her a new tube of lip gloss.
That's true. Maybe that'll keep her quiet about Kyle.
I'll go see if I can find someone and try not to kill her while I'm gone.
No promises.
Oh my god, thank God you're here. Let me show you where it is. So what happened was my friend, Rhea, decided to start fighting me for no reason. I don't even know why she started doing that. I was just putting on lip gloss, minding my own business. And, of course, it fell down the drain, and now it's clogged, and we can't get it out. Can you help us? It's just, like, literally my favorite lip gloss, and I can't get it back. And the girls don't even...
Jess? Jess, did you bring Kyle? Kyle? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I drink your milkshake.
Hey guys, I found someone who might be able to come in an hour to help. Rita? Jess? Guys? Oh my god! Jessica! Oh my god! Rita? Rita, are you here? Oh my god!
Reported that the girls had planned to spend the weekend at a bed and breakfast, but did not give their friends or family the address. Police are urging citizens to contact their anonymous tip line with any information as to the whereabouts of Monica.
These B&B sucks.